The prospecting interface allows you to spot companies and contacts that match your requirements in under 1 minute. Of course, given you're aware of your prospect's profile. Let's presume you're a pharmaceutical distributor looking to increase its manufacturing vendor portfolio within the EMEA market. To get a potential list of vendors, in the Start Your Search tab, navigate to the Industry menu and type in the Pharma keyword in the Industry Focus field. The platform will deliver you a variety of choices. Select the most suitable item, which in our case is pharma and medical equipment. Well done! You've got a global list of providers. Further, in the Start Your Search tab, select the Location menu and tick Africa, Europe, and Middle East boxes. That's it! You've obtained a complete list of potential vendors in EMEA as a start point to enriching your vendor portfolio in as little as 30 seconds. But wait, there's more! If you're interested to spot only those vendors that have a direct contact, email or phone, navigate to the Executive menu in the Start Your Search tab. Go to the Only Select Contacts That section and tick the Have a Direct Email Address and/or Have a Direct Mobile option. Now, you've received a complete list of companies and contact details to kick off your prospecting all in under a minute. And yet, there is one more thing you can glance at in the prospecting module. Let's suppose you want to take the pulse for one of your current vendors. Our company search engine can help you with this too. In the Search for a Company or Executive box, type in the name of your vendor, for instance AstraZeneca. Then hit View Results to generate a complete list of vendors that match your search criteria. Once you got the updated list, go to the Location tab in the Start Your Search section and drill down to where your vendor is located, country or region. Now, you can select your supply office and explore your vendor's financials or credit risk via the Company Overview interface to make sure your supply remains steady. There is more where that came from, but to explore it, watch the Advanced Filtering instruction, where we'll attempt to access total addressable markets, drilling down to your potential service achievable market.